In this beautiful house live family named Marivo. Here is mom, Natalie. This little baby is Emily. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Sit here. I will call for everyone. You are hungry, right? Yes, mommy, yes. Kids, come on. The breakfast is ready. Here is Rosie. She's a daughter. She's a teenager that spends all her day next to the mirror. Oh, Mom, not now. I'm just preparing for a date tonight. I'm doing a makeup. I don't have time for a morning breakfast. Oh, oops. We won't disturb her. Come on, let's go to the next room. Here is Tommy. He loves play video games. Woohoo! Yes, I win! Woohoo! You win. I want to present you the last person from a family. Here's Dad. Hey, but where's Dad? Oh, I'm so hungry. Okay, kids, eat quick. We must go to the school. Quick, quick now. Mommy, but where's Dad? Daddy said that he must do something very important. He was acting very strange. Mommy, I want this, Mommy. Oh no, Emily, what did you done? I will look who it is. Tommy, it's wet in here. Oh no, I don't believe it. Come on, look and watch. Wow. What's happened? Justin Bieber is here. Kids, keep calm. Come on, go and eat breakfast now. Oh, well, Mom, I think that you won't like it. Oh, what's happened? Is there a dog our neighbors? I don't believe it. What's that? Whoa, it's super duper awesome. Oh no, what's that then? Oh no. Oh no, that's too much. We will talk, Mr. John. Hi, family. Look, I just buy for you. Oh, yes, it's Dad. And his name is John. He likes to do crazy things, but he is really funny. And how do you like my present for you? Tell me what it is. Well, it's our new car for whole family. For whole family with 2 seats where we will put children. Don't worry. I just saw a camper. What you are talking about? You want to ride in a camper? Ugh, it's so dramatic. Tell me if you will stop fighting. I'm going home. I've got more important things to do. And how much it was cost? Oh, it was so cheap. Only $5,000. $5,000? What did you done? Woohoo! Whoa, what a great car! It's a used car, but it's a really great price. Really? Look, it's a scratch in here. Oh, look, it's only a dirt. It's not a dirt. Look. why it's empty in here? You see what you've bought? Even your child is laughing from that car. You need get your money back. We need a family car and not a sports car.
Okay.
Mommy, this car is riding by herself.
Oh no, my new car!
Get him, quick!
Oh no, my new car! I broke it! Hello, sir?
Yes? What did you do? You hit into my police car. Sir, do you see this sign?
Where?
I don't see it.
Do you know what these signs mean?
Yes, of course. It means that I must stop.
Yes, but you didn't do this. Why?
Huh? Well, I don't know how. It just drive himself. I'm sorry.
I'm really sorry, but you must get a traffic ticket. Come on, let's go to the police car.
Oh no.
Okay, it's $100. You didn't stop on the sign. And then $200 because you hit to the police car, and it's $300.
Please, not so much.
I'm really sorry, but you must pay that. Goodbye.
Oh, great.
Hey, it's okay. There is no scratch in here.
Daddy, what tell Mr. Policeman? What tell Mr. Policeman?
Well, I must pay $300.
Oh no, $300? But don't worry, I've got a solution for our one problem.
Really? I don't have to pay?
No, look behind you.
Wow,
Look at this.
oh no, this is that solution? Dum 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 dum.
Wow, it was great.
And what's now? We don't have car now.
Don't worry, I buy another.
Really? It's a sports car?
Look there.
Hey, but it was sports car, and mine was sports car too. Hey, it's not fair.
Hey, you don't look in the right direction. There, behind this.
Oh, I see now.
And you like it?
Yes, of course. It's a really family car. I love it.
That's great.
Dad always do something different, and Mom always have right.
Hey, if you like our new episode, give a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Do you rather a sports car or a family car? And remember to subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.